Okay, today we're evaluating the 2021 Bronco 2.7 liter engine. This is a four-door, soft top, Badlands Sasquatch package with the MRT customization. Alright, so basically this is the bigger Ecoboost motor, and we have the dual tip straight through performance exhaust. So this is the extreme version of exhaust. Let's give it a review. Startup, we get a noticeable exhaust presence that you can hear the exhaust. Mild kind of city simulated driving. We have a good background deep whir in the exhaust note. It's not overbearing, it's not obnoxious, in your face. Getting onto the highway, wide open throttle. She's got some game. Performance sound is definitely a full-on coming at you acceleration. Again, nothing harsh. It's definitely a performance sound. Once we get up to highway speed, settle down in the 2100 to 2300 RPM range, going between 70 and 80 on the highway. We have exhaust background noise. It is on par, maybe a little bit louder than the tire noise, wind noise, but nothing obnoxious, overbearing. So for cruising, very comfortable. Drone is essentially non-existent. I will say it's a 1.5 out of 10. The other noises going on are more prevalent than the exhaust. You go wide open throttle, it has got a full performance sound. So the look at me getting noticed under acceleration, I would give it an 8, 9 out of 10. Performance feel, definite seat of the pants performance matched by that sound of performance under acceleration. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Overall comfort, drone